Hello. Today I've got the oak board in my garage and I've got something like that. That is, I don't know how you exactly call it, but that is plinth from some music equipment, I don't know, some record going around and stuff like that. But the friend asked me if I can build it from solid oak, stuff like that, because as you can see it's the cheap board made of and has old one. So he's going to refurb the top and he asked me if I can try to make it that box a little bit bigger with the bottom, obviously it's not through, and with the top, so made it of the oak. So I've got the board what I had somewhere at my house, and now roughly I'm going to measure it. I know it need to be bigger and the taller. That is 8.5 centimeters, so let's say that would be 10-ish, 10-11 will be tall, and over here is 42, so we go for 45 by 45. So that is the plan. The board is like plain from the one side, but I need to find out which of the board I'm going to use. I want to join it as a meter joint to have the grain going all around it. First thing is I need to mark it roughly where to go, then rip it along to my roughly size, and then that we go for the planer thicknesser. I've got the part prepared-ish. I still need to get the bottom panel, what will be 9mm plywood, and I still have got in the clamps the top panel here. So as soon as that will be dry tomorrow, because I will leave that overnight. So yeah, so tomorrow when the panel will come out of clamps, I will try to put everything together, cut it to the size, the panels, and try to do the glue up. That is the update for now. I'm finishing for today. Is the panel dry? I need to take the clamps off and find out how it looks. So my panel looks like that. It's fairly straight. I just need to remove the glue when I didn't wipe it off, and we need to cut it to the size. To remove the glue, I'm going to use a small scraper. So now I've got the top is sanded, and I put it just like dry fit-ish and because I need to cut the hole where the thing will sit. So I've got the marked where I need the cutout, and I mark the holes and the bigger holes where need to be, and I think I will just go on the scroll saw because there's only 10mm thickness. Top panel going over here. Now it's coming over. Coming over. So now just check for square. Square, 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 and square, and I just measure the diagonals. It's 63.8-ish, and over here we've got 63.8-ish. So according to the dimension, the box it's square, so that is very good, and that is what I'm leaving, and I will take that house because it's warmer up there, and then I will be back to sand it down, put the bottom panel and finish it with some I don't know, with something, some oil or something. It's glue up, so I'm quite happy with it. After glue up, I sand this down up to 180 grit, and that base for the record player, it's nearly finished. Now I just cut it down and use the hand plane to fit the bottom panel, so that is ready. I need to drill the holes and to secure it, and before I will oil it. Obviously I need just the soften the corners on it, and then put the bottom panel and obviously finish it. I am nearly on the end of the project, and that will be ready to take it to my friend to put the record player on it. For now I've got everything prepared to apply the finish on this project, so that's what I'm going to do next. Just apply from the bottom and turn it over, and apply the rest of it, so that should be good enough. For now I apply the first coat of that hard wax oil. It's Osmo thing, so I apply the first coat, and that wood looks really nice. I don't know if you can see it, but the grains looks just lovely, really. Yeah, so that's the finished product for me. I'm going to apply another 2 coats, and then I will just take that to my friend. So meter joints like that, and yeah. So that's the one project nearly done. I need to screw the back in, but that after the player will be sit in, and so my job is end. Now just finger cross all the holes what I made them where that record player should sit on in it. That will be fine. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on the next builds, so see you later.